Hi, this is Vrushali and you are watching Vrusharaj Classes YouTube channel. Yesterday, that is on 5th June, it was the World Environment Day. So on this occasion, let's have a look of my terrace garden. This is the first plant which each and every house should have, that is Tulsi plant. This is one more medicinal plant, that is aloe vera. It's very easy to plant and requires least care. One small plant of periwinkle. Once again aloe vera. Where is the plant which gives beautiful flowers? That is rose plant. Once again it's aloe vera here. This is lily plant. When it rains, this pot becomes full of white flowers. This is one plant which gives white beautiful flowers. Here is again Tulsi plant. See, we only complain that global warming is increasing, we are suffering from this problem, pollution is increasing, oxygen is decreasing. But what can we do? Yes, each one of us, if we decide, we can contribute a lot. Yes, if we just plant few Tulsi plant in our house, it's more than enough. See, here are a few more plants. The China grass, one more medicinal plant. This is the plant actually called as Brahma Kamal. Even this flowers are beautiful, they bloom at night. Once again Tulsi. Here is one small plant, you can see the buds on this plant. This is periwinkle with beautiful white flowers. This is my favorite plant actually, right from my childhood. I just love this plant, periwinkle. The favorite plant of most of the people, money plant. Here are a few more plants, shade loving plants we can see. This is the pineapple cutting we have planted in one pot. This is beetle leaf. This creeper, when it grows, it looks beautiful. This is one more beautiful shade loving plant. The yellow spots, they look so beautiful on this leaf. And just see the tender leaf of this plant. It looks so beautiful. Even this plant I like very much. The tiny rubber plant. The leaves of this plant, they look so beautiful. The snake plant. This is the air purifier plant, they say. Yes, most of the indoor plants nowadays, what we get, they purify the air. This is one more indoor plant gifted by one of my friends. The spider plant. So this is how we celebrated our Environment Day. So it's not necessary to go on some big ground or with a big crowd and plant some big trees or something like that. No. As I said, we each one of us can contribute. So these are the few old plastic things which were available in our storeroom, and some soil was left on the terrace, so we just used it. As here it's complete lockdown, we can't even step out of the house, but still we managed to plant here something. And in these 3 pots we planted coriander seeds, chili seeds and tomato seeds. Here is one more money plant in the hanging pot. Here I would like to tell you one thing, that all these money plants which I have potted in these 3 different pots are all grown from one single stem. Yes, I started just with the single stem of the money plant, and with the cuttings from the same plant. Now just see what is the picture of the money plant, how beautifully it's growing in all the 3 pots. See, if we sit at home and just complain about the environment and give excuses, this list of complaints and excuses is not going to end at all. We have to think what we can do from our side. How can we contribute? Because it is the responsibility of each and every citizen to keep our environment clean. So if we can't do anything, at least we can plant one plant in our house. If each and every house plant few plants in whatever space and whatever facilities are available to them, it's more than enough. So this is my simple small terrace garden. So how was my terrace garden? If you like my garden, please don't forget to press the like button. And please do share this video among your friends. And to get the regular updates of such interesting videos, please do subscribe our channel, that is Vrishuraj Classes. And thank you so much for watching this video.